Hey, thanks for picking our video on how to change your battery on your Jeep 4-button remote here. This task, go ahead and make sure you do have your key ring off. You will need it off of here because you're going to open this remote up. You will need a flat tip screwdriver. I'm just using an oversized flat tip, one that we use for remotes. Go ahead and flip your remote over. You notice your emergency key release right here. Go ahead, it's spring loaded, so you'll want to release it. Go ahead and set your key blank to the side and go and put your flat tip right above the opening that you pulled the emergency key out. Your flat tip and going. When you put it in, bring it all the way towards the side where you have the most plastic. I've always found that easiest. Notice I just twisted it, the remote opened up, and gently pull the two apart. We'll set the front half down. We got the back half, and you notice you have the retainer, little metal tang here to hold the battery in. 180 of that, just straight across, come over. Go ahead and put your flat tip, battery pops out, and you notice it is a CR 2032 battery. I'm sorry if the glare, but go ahead, and inside you'll look of the remote back half of it, there is a plus sign, so you know that it goes positive side down. Go ahead and put it in, push it towards the metal first, and you notice that side went in, this side didn't. Not a big deal, just lift it back up, put it in, and you want to do it so it seats down in there. And if you seat it, I like to push with my finger, then I'll just flip it over, just gently tap it. Battery didn't pop out, so we know we got a good connection. Take the two halves, let's stick them together. Gently squeeze as you go around the remote. You notice all together. We'll put the emergency blade back in, and we're done. There you go, you just changed your battery. Hey, thanks for watching again, and go ahead and give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. Go ahead and check out our other videos, and if you would, drop us an email if there's anything you'd like to see or questions you might have. But thanks again for watching SgtLocksmith. Let's be safe out there.